Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Today I am bringing a new amazing crypto exchange app review. Its name is Top One. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this crypto exchange app. So guys, before waste our time, I am starting the video. So guys, you can check first of all, you can sign up to one account. So guys, you can see you can sign up now through email and phone number. So you can select phone number, you can enter your mobile number, then you can enter your password, then you can enter your referral code, then you can click I have read and agree to Top One service terms and privacy policy. And next guys, you can click this button and you can account register now. If you want to register with email, then you can click here and enter your email, then you can enter your password, enter your referral code, then you can click this agree terms, then you can click this next button and see this your account register now. If your account registered, then you can earn up to 96% commission. So my account is already registered, so I log in my account. If you want to log in, then you can click here and you can see this page is loading. It's take time, you can check here. So guys, you can see this, you can enter your mobile number, then you can enter your password, then you can log in your account now. So I log in my account and see this further detail about this exchange. So guys, you can see this, my account is open now. You can check here, Top One crypto exchange review. Freedom to trade anywhere, start trading freely with Top One. You can check here, you can start live trading now. You can, if you want to start first time trading, then you can click here and see the trading demo. So guys, you can click here and start live trading now. You can see this, and next guys, you can scroll down and see this another detail. You can check here trading pair, you can see this BTC and USDT. You can check here all pairs. So guys, you can start live trading now. You can check here BTC and USDT pair. You can see this. So you can check here price chart is loading. You can start trading now. So guys, you can check here. You can enter your amount. Then you can start trading now. You can check here price chart, pricing up and down. You can see you can get huge profit now. You can check here. You can enter market price, enter your USDT margin. Then you can click this long or short. Then you can start trading now. You can check here and next back to the home page and see this further detail about this project. You can check here all is the trading pair. So guys, you can select any pair, then you can start trading now. You can check here and next guy, you can see this high commission reward up to 96%. You can check here 90% commission benefits, 90% rebate share plus 6% incubation earning. And next guys, you can check here operations hubs, elite group, primary group, trader. You can click this and see this another. And next guys, you can check here tailored exchange for simple trading. License operations, Top One has obtained the US MSB license, high liquidity. High liquidity Top One connects with global exchanges to ensure large trades at ideal prices, high performance trading engine offers fast order execution, minimizing delays and slippage. And next guys, you can see this reliable security. Financial grade wallet management and dual risk control protects your assets, free trade. Top One offers turbo matching and millisecond trading with up to 1000x leverage, creating strong momentum where even small fluctuations present big opportunity. You can check here and next guys, you can scroll down and see this freedom to trade anywhere. Top One sports trading on the app and website. So guys, you can download this app on Google Play Store and iPhone. So guys, you can check here and next guys, you can check here more detail. You can see this future. So guys, you can click here and start the futures trading now. You can check here, you can start future trading now. You can enter your amount, then you can start trading now. You can select long or short trading. You can see this, you can check here, this is the short and this is the long. You can check here, you can click here and you can search any pair, then you can start trading now. And next guy, you can go to the markets. You can click here and see this page is loading. You can check here the markets. You can see these Top One features offers cryptocurrency derivative with USD margin features quoted and collateralized in USD. You can check here market. You can see this all is the market of this crypto exchange and trade app review. You can check here. And then you can go to affiliate program. So guys, you can click here and see this affiliate program about this exchange. You can check here level traders benefits 6% rebate. You can check here benefits after upgrade 75% rebate sharing. You can check here, you can invite your friend to earn commission. Now you can see this my referral code. So I copy this and enter the video description. You can check here my referral link. I copy now and enter the video description. You can open now, then you can register your account and get benefits now. And then you can check here commission summary, pending withdraw, today's commission, total commission. You can check here summary, order detail, subordinate detail. And next you can check here affiliate info, today new affiliates, direct referrals, indirect referrals. You can check here. And next you can check here regular users get 90% commission. You can check here case overview. Calculated based on the lowest level earning at 1000 USD fee. You can check here J 60%, B 75%, H 85%, K 90%, G 90%. You can check here trade G rebate 60 USDT. You can check here. And next guy you can go to the about us of the crypto exchange. So guys, you can click here and see this top one exchange app. About you can check here top one spice up your earning futures trading. You can check here 1 million plus global user, 100 plus available countries, 5 billion plus daily trading volume, 3 plus regulatory licenses. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this our story. Top one was founded on the belief in revolutionizing and innovating blockchain trading, backed by Asia's leading consortium. Top one has built a robust platform to drive innovation. Our founding team, consisting of passionate futures trading enthusiasts and experienced blockchain exchange entrepreneurs, has weathered the industry's ups and downs. Together, we are committed to creating a fair and revolutionary blockchain future exchanges. Guys, you can check here story. And next guys, you can see innovative affiliate mode, sold benefits conflicts across trading tiers, trading fee charge mode. Address the impact of fee charge on trading profits, trading models and instruments. Which trading instruments and models with ultra high and ultra low leverage, enabling easy hedge and insurance trading. Trading freedom. Fully flexible trading to reshape the existence exchange system. Enjoyment. You can scroll down, bring life to your trading. You can check here and next you can see this our value. User first, integrity and sincerity, innovation, commitment, long-term vision. You can check here and next you can see this our team members. With a team of over 2,000 employees from 65 countries or regions, Top One is equipped to meet the needs of users across a wide range of language, cultures, and beliefs. You can check complaint licenses. You can see the MSB, US MSB regulatory license, Australian virtual currency license, VASP, Lithuanian VASP crypto license. You can check here, and next you can see the partner of this exchange. CoinSpeaker, Yahoo, CoinGecko, BTC.com, King Data, Binance, TradingView. You can check here all is the partner, and next you can check here live. You can click here. You can see no live stream. You can check here listing applications. You can click here and see this listing applications, and you can check here announcement. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It take time. Then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can check here announcement of this crypto exchange app review. You can check here Top One exchange to launch mask with USD pair 100x USDT pre-futures contracts. Top One exchange will launch the. You can check here announcement on the launch of newcomer gift package rewards upgrade event at Top One exchange. You can check here all the. If you want to deposit, then you can click here, then you can select payment method, deposit from crypto wallet, P2P trading. For example, I select deposit from crypto wallet, then you can click here, and then guys you can select network. You can click here and select network. For example, I select network BP20. So guys, you can select any network now. Then you can check here deposit address. Then you can deposit now. And next guys, we discuss more detail. We discuss how to withdraw now. So guys, you can check here. So guys, you can check here total asset balance deposit. We discuss this, and next we discuss how to withdraw. So guys, you can click here and see this. You can check here at least 2 verification method need to be bound. Please bind at least 2 verification methods. So guys, you can complete the verification. So guys, you can confirm now and see, confirm your verification. You can check here. You can see this account security, email, phone, authenticator, login password, withdraw security. So guys, you can check here, manage your address. You can see this. You can manage your address. Then you can start withdraw now. So I manage address, then start how to withdraw. Guys, you can check here withdraw order history, C2C, crypto wallet. You can check here our detail, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project, exchange review. And next guys, you can exchange crypto exchange in following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So we go to this exchange official Twitter page. So guys, you can see the top one exchange official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can check here. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can check here all important announcements, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this crypto exchange app Telegram group. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here top one official Telegram group chat community is open. 5,405 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.